Welcome to Nigerian News.
The Minister of Information,
former President Donald Trump.
Nigerian News Sports Section.
The people of Palestine, thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Nigerian News.
Court fixes April 18 to hear Nnamdi Kanu's 1 billion naira suit against Nigerian government, DSS. I am Abigail. The news in detail. A 1 billion naira compensation suit filed by Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, against the Nigerian federal government and Department of State Services, DSS, has been scheduled to be heard by a federal high court in Abuja on April 18. The court proceedings were adjourned by Justice James Omotosho after Kanu's counsel, Ejimakor, expressed the intention to respond to a counter affidavit filed by the DSS and its Director General. During the court session, Gbenga Oladimeji, representing the federal government, informed the court that they had not yet filed their response on behalf of the defendants due to being notified of the process that morning. Despite being served since March 6th, the DSS lawyer, Abdul Dalami, mentioned that they had already submitted their counter affidavit in opposition to Kanu's plea. Ejimakor requested an adjournment to file a further affidavit in response to new issues raised by the DSS in their counter affidavit. Justice Omotosho then set the next hearing date for April 18 for the adoption of processes. The suit, brought by Kanu's legal team, seeks the enforcement of his fundamental rights while in detention. Among the reliefs sought by Kanu are a declaration that the alleged seizure and photocopying of confidential legal documents by the DSS amounts to a denial of his right to choose legal representation. The DSS, in a counter affidavit, denied several allegations made by Kanu and affirmed that he is securely in their custody while the DSS, in a counter affidavit, denied several allegations made by Kanu and affirmed that he is securely in their custody with access to legal consultations and family visits without hindrance. The security agency further contended that the suit is an abuse of court process, as similar issues were previously raised before another court.
Thank you for being a part of Nigerian News today.